Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not updating. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and go on to the app list. And here you need to search for Instagram. Click on that. And here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. So once you done that, you simply need to restart your smartphone, and after that you need to open Play Store and search for Instagram and click on the update button. So it will take few seconds, and after that it will start updating. So as you can see that my Instagram is now updating. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.